up, peeps?
It's me, Denise, and my brother.
Darius.
And today we're going to be playing, we're going to be opening up these grocery gangs. And there's 2 packs inside of them. So we're going to open this up and see what groceries we have. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be opening this up and we're going to see if we have 2 so we can both open each. Okay.
Oh.
So I have this collection of groceries.
That is a lot.
Yeah,
What?
there is so many guys, and even on the other side.
There's like a million.
Yeah, there's so many. Wow. And this is how it came.
Let's see if we
Okay.
can open it.
Well, that's weird, but yeah, let's see.
If they might be in there. Oh.
Okay, so it came in
Then
2
here.
of these.
Then here. Let's try and open
And I'm
it.
gonna save this, guys, because
I'm trying to open.
So I'm gonna open this.
Oh.
Do you need the scissors?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go.
It's really cool. There's something.
Okay. Whoa.
What the?
Mine, guys.
There's a sandwich. Can you help? Can you
It's
help
a
me?
burger sandwich thingy.
Can you help
I think
me?
it is. Oh.
Oh gosh. Wow. That's squishy. That's squishy.
So let's see what that's got.
I got
Oh,
a lemon.
it might be lemon. I don't know what this is, guys.
That is disgusting.
If you do, guys, know what this is, comment down below. Because I do not know what this is.
What is that? Spookies. That there.
I don't know. It's really
Ugh.
gross. So they're really squishy.
Imagine if that was real boogies and it was coming off.
That would be gross, but
Oh yeah.
yeah. So this is Darius's.
I want to change.
Yeah, but this is yours.
Oh.
So this is Darius's. So
I
wait,
think
this is mine. And then this is Darius's.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
And then this is Darius's.
It looks like a lemon. Just cut up.
It might be, but lemons don't have white.
You never know.
Yeah, so these are both of them.
Why does he have just one eye open?
Because it's supposed to be gross. So
I could do that. That's not gross.
anyways, I'm gonna keep them in this thingy. So like in this box thingy.
Chest.
And
It looks like a chair.
then here we have
This is so squishy.
all of them. So
Cool.
and if you know it, they have names. And then this is the back side. And my name is, so it's this one. My one's name is can't find it.
Not on that page. Yeah, does it say?
Oh. My one is called Muck Muffin.
Muffin.
Oh, well, I guess it's a muffin then. And then Darius's is called
That's
Lucy Lemon. So we guessed it was a lemon.
yes.
So Lucy Lemon.
So I got it correct. Cut up.
Yeah, Lucy Lemon.
Lucy.
And there's another Lucy Lemon one,
What? Oh yeah.
but it's a different colour. So this is Darius's, them. And then
This
this is another Lucy Lemon.
Yeah.
Okay, pick one.
This is mine.
This Muck Muffin looks so gross,
And
guys.
this is
This is a
delicious.
different one, a Muck Muffin, and it's so gross.
Which one? Which one?
This one. Right there.
Ew. It's like this one, but just a
Different colour.
and a
Yeah.
hamburger.
So guys,
So squishy.
I'm just going to put them back in here. And then this, I'm just going to put it somewhere.
We're friends. Bye.
And then, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. So please like and subscribe.
And if you subscribe, the right that you subscribed.
Yeah. And, yeah, go and follow my brother. This is his YouTube channel name. Okay, guys, so that's my brother's name on YouTube. So you should definitely go and follow. Okay, guys, so you should definitely go and follow my brother. And please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. So, yeah. Bye.